Yeah, we figured it didn't matter if it went on back.
It's a 1964 Dodge 330, 383 4 barrel, ex-police car. We loaded up. Motor's gone, but still has a certified dash, still has the sway bar, still has a couple of the original wheels. We don't know where it originally served. I think it might be Idaho State Police, but we don't know 100%. Anyway, this one's coming home to Olympia, Washington. Certified dash is still there. Aftermarket radio, spotlight. Floors are gone, trunk's solid. Quarter panels aren't too bad. Originally black with a gray interior. They were going to derby it at one point, so they put a marijuana leaf on the side. You can kind of see a little bit of the left. Anyway, just another day in the adventures of rocker restorations.